Hi, I'm April with WTI.
And I am so happy that AutyaMee Beauty came up with this at-home nail kit. These semi-cured nail gels are absolutely amazing. This box came with super easy to use instructions and 20 semi-cured nail gel stickers. I feel that even as a beginner, you could create quality style nails in just minutes in your own home. Now, I am seriously rough on my hands, and I have noticed that these have actually held up very nicely. I've had these on for a little over 2 weeks now, and they don't have any scratches, and the quality is still very, very nice. I absolutely love that this saves me time and money, and that they're super gentle on my real nails. So, if you're looking for an at-home salon quality style, long-lasting, beautiful manicure, I would highly recommend checking these out.
And that's my point of view.